Welcome to Maxpanda. In this video, I'm going to be covering the Vendor Unlimited role. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is receive the email invitation to the Maxpanda account. Once you receive this email, simply click the Create Your Profile Here link within it, and it will take you to the user creation page. Here you can come up with a username, first name, last name, password question and answer, and select a language and click Create ID. Once your account is created, you can log in and you'll see this Maxpanda main dashboard. Here you can see all the work orders that you have been assigned to. As well, along the top you have the Submit Work Order button and a support button if you have any questions. If your account has multiple sites in it, you will see this drop-down menu. Each site has its own buildings, locations, assets, users, and work orders. Simply select it from the list to filter between the sites. And in the top right hand corner you can find your profile information, change your password, and change your password question. To submit a new work order, simply click the button in the top right hand corner, the Submit Work Order button along the top, or the Submit Work Order button in the main menu. Here you just need to fill out some basic information about the issue. For example, type the problem, add a reference ID if you track them a particular way, select a category from the drop-down list, select a priority from the drop-down list, add a short description to expand upon the issue, any notes you might have, just anything that there's no current field for, add CC, add an email address of anyone else you want to be kept up to date on this issue, and then pick the location or asset that requires the work. So for example, if I just select locations, it will give me a list of all the locations available and all the assets available. If I select building, it will then filter out the locations to the locations in that building and any assets that are in that building. Okay, next I can suggest a due date. So the default is midnight 7 days from now, but I can change that. And I can upload any files I might have, maybe a picture of the issue or a user's manual, any Word documents, PDF files, audio files, and images. Once I have finished filling out the work order, simply click Submit. Once the work order is submitted, it will change to a pending status. Only admins and editors have the ability to approve and assign the pending work orders. Going back to the main dashboard, here in my to-do list, I can see all the work orders that have been assigned to myself. They're in chronological order with the newest ones at the top. To view work order information, simply find it in the list and click the green eye. Here I can read up on all the work order information, everything I need to go complete the job. Once the job is completed, I would want to come back to this work order and update it with new information. So for example, I would want to add any notes or comments I might have, maybe upload a file of the completed work. If there is a task list assigned, I must complete the task list before I can complete the work order. To do this, simply click the green Edit button, and you can read more details on the task. Make sure the tasks are completed and change the status to completed. Save with the green Save button. I would want to track how many parts I used, so I'd want to update that. See other staff members assigned to it and view any attachments. Once I have updated the work order, I would want to click the Complete Work Order to show that the job is done. I could add a note and click OK. Once a work order is completed, it will disappear off your to-do list. If you do not complete the work order by the due date, the status will switch to overdue, and email notifications will go out to yourself and any admins or editors in the account letting them know that the work has gone overdue. Just to take a look at the menu, View Overdue, this just filters out any overdue work orders you may have. Submit Work Order submits a work order. My Work Orders, this will show any work orders you have submitted as well as their current status. You can open those up at any time to view their progress. And My To-Do List brings up the list of work orders assigned to you that you must complete. Also available for you is the Go Max mobile app. This is a free download available for you for both Android and Apple. Simply go to the App Store or Google Play to download it. Once downloaded, log in with your username and password and you'll see this screen. From here, you can submit new work orders, view work orders you have submitted, view your to-do list, as well as view overdue work orders. You can submit new work orders right from your phone simply by clicking the Submit Work Order button and filling out the information. As well, you can complete work orders from your smartphone or tablet by clicking My To-Do List and selecting the work order from the list. Fill in the information and click Complete.